What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's been over a year since we've had this chambered Vac Sealer and we love it. So I'm going to tell you guys what we've all had wrong with it, what we like about it, and so forth in this video. So this thing has done great with us. Now I always leave it stored like this. This is the bag holder, and I leave it up, and that's how we store it. So this way there's airflow in there and it don't get moldy, and it's dried out in case you ever spill water in here. Now, only one thing went wrong, and it was this sealer tape. So it came with an extra one. I replaced it. Simple and easy to replace too. But I went online and I ordered this, and it's sealer tape. So if this goes bad again, I can just whip this on there and it's no big deal. It's really easy to replace. And for how much we've used this, it's been insane. It is a workhorse for sure, and it's worth the money, in my opinion. The competition is about $1,000. So it was $800. I think they're $800. So at the time when I bought this, and this was $450 somewhere in there. And really, I would put it up against the other ones because we haven't had an issue with it. The other thing I did have wrong was we tipped it on its side, bringing it downstairs when we're doing chickens, because we dismantle our chickens and do like breasts or thighs, and we package them up that way. When we tipped it, some of the oil fell out the reservoir and it got on the pump. So for a while when you're using it give a little puff of smoke, and that happens. I'm going to take off the shroud when I do the oil change, and then I will clean that all up and degrease it. So you don't have to do oil change on these. It's like some people do them pretty often. If you're doing a lot of liquid, then you have to watch the oil. It can get murky, but you have to do a lot of liquid, because we've done soups and stuff in here and we haven't had an issue yet. So these are the bags we did of I was going to say strawberries, tomatoes. This is for our chili batches, and this is our wings that we just did this fall for my chickens. So you can tell it's really nice. It makes it look like you got it from a meat market. It is super convenient, and this thing isn't light also. So we put it here on this shelf, so this way I'm not moving it around, and it's super convenient because then it's here, everyone can use it, everyone knows how to use it. And if you didn't have a system like this, there's these little carts that are similar to this, but they're shallower and they're on wheels and they're smaller. This would work perfect on there. So you can wheel it around and plug it in wherever you need it. But all said and done, no complaints, and I'm so glad I bought it. So I hope that helped those of you that kept asking about this. Been having a lot of people ask about it. That's why I did this video. So yeah, glad you guys see me again.